asuntoskeittiötä ole, Matti?
Today's the 24th of July 2021. We have Viipurintie 3 staircase here in Lahti, Finland. It was built in 1962 and modernized in 2006 with delta fixtures, originally MP6 buttons. And let's see if this really is a lodge for just 3 persons, as it's the case B, it said it was 3 persons outside, but inside it said 5 persons and 400 grams.
Yeah.
A, it's 420 grams.
But it is 3 persons.
So this is 3 for divers, that's very interesting. It's the case A and B is for 5 persons, this is the 3 persons over here.
Yeah.
It's pretty weird. And the serial number is H10519, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. We're turning 60 years old, and also this year, this motorization is turning 15 years old. That was the beeping here. It's a bit too slow, but still interesting.
Yeah.
All 3 were filming because they had a different capacity.
Yeah. That finished staircase B a few years ago.
Yeah. They also have a stop button. That's enough.
Yeah.
If it was original, we would have taken 2.
Yeah.
Or it is just more nice, but still. We don't have time.
Yeah. Inspektit vaan, kiva inspektit meitä, et vaikka on.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the staircases A and B, as they have the 5 persons capacity.
That's the